We are pleased to show you the 2016 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, one-touch windows, one. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.